Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing another video, another Robert Reed video, except it's gonna be another singing song, except this time, my parents said I could audition for America's Got Talent. I'm gonna do a singing, I'm gonna sing. So, the song is gonna be Amazing Grace. Let's start. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Through many dangers, toils, and snares, I have already come. 'Tis grace that's brought safe thus far, and grace will lead me home. When we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun, we know man's days to sing God's prayer, that when we first begun. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. God went through us, gave us love and care. He gave all he had to. Okay, guys, that's it. That was Amazing Grace. I kind of made up the last parts. I don't know why. It was just fun, but that is the song I'll be auditioning for America's Got Talent. Bye, guys!